Jeremy Kyle! Hello, hello. Today on the show we are going to welcome a very special guest, Keith Lemon. Hello, hello. So, Keith, how are you going? Alright, thanks. Good, good. So I'm going to ask you a few questions today to go through our interview. Okay. So, first question. Have you ever picked your nose and wiped it on your cat? Okay, calm down. Yes, calm it. Audience. Probably not. Okay, are you sure about that? I'm positive. Okay, next question. Can you do any accents like American or Irish? Yeah, go on then. American.
Sector. That's American for sector.
Very good. Now you're Irish, you do it?
If you're going down here, come out of the ground like that. If you don't get a bee on your show.
Wow, I say. Thank you. So, we're going to talk to you a bit about conversations now. What would you say your favourite conversation starter is?
Do you like sharks? Got teeth and stuff on there.
That's probably mine too. So have you ever eaten a glue stick? And if you have, what did it taste like? A glue stick? No, I haven't. Calm down, audience. No, I've never eaten a glue stick. Okay. This is a question. A very serious question. Very serious. Have you ever smashed a potato on somebody's head? Yeah. Holla Willoughby. Holla Willoughby. So, what is your real name? Lee Francis. Wikipedia. What? Have you ever had a live Jedward up your shirt? Of course not. I mean, what are you on about? Okay, probably down his pants. Would you ever...
Use a spatula to eat a potato. Yes, I think I would. You would? Would you ever decide to become a prince of bang tidiness? Definitely. I think it's settled to say I already am. Already. Well, you know you ginger. I'm not ginger, I am strawberry blonde. Ginger, strawberry blonde, ginger, strawberry blonde, ginger. Well, I have a confession. I'm ginger. What? Okay, on next time, folks, we will continue with Keith Lemon. Thank you. Goodbye.